How to test halogen bulb or LED bulb. See, take a multimeter, we set continuity place, diode place, set. Take a probes. First halogen bulb we are testing. See, these two electrodes. Probes connected. See, here matter. See, probes connected, shows our multimeter reading. See here, probes connected, multimeter shows reading. It's perfect working, this halogen bulb. Okay, see, LED bulb. See, connected to electrodes but not shows reading. LED bulb checking is different. See, open, each one bulb we have to check. See, these are bulbs, each one bulb compulsory checking. See, bulb is blinking like this, we are checking like this. See, each one bulb LED, each one LED bulb compulsory we are checking. Any one not working, that bulb failure. See, it's blinking. Some are failure. Some bulbs not working. Halogen bulbs direct continuity shows it's will working, but LED bulbs each one LED SMD compulsory checking. Otherwise all are perfect working. It LED bulb working. Not any one not working, then bulb is failure.